just be. Don't take it. Take it, just don't be. And live my life. Don't take it personal. I ain't lying. I ain't hiding. I've been grinding, multiplying. I've been trying to get my weight up, staying prayed up, meditating and taking time away. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning. I'm writing rhymes in the kitchen, soaking in moments we live in, yeah.
Hi guys, welcome back. If you're new here, my name's Carissa. So today we are doing a deep clean of the kitchen. So first off, I'm just going to start by getting rid of the dishes and that out of the sink and clearing off the clutter on the bench tops. I hope this video inspires and motivates you to do something today in your house or whatever you need to do. So let's get into this.
You got the nerve to be on me, faking your life at a IG. If you got my number, don't add me, cause baby, I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. Baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be and live my life off screen. Taking time out to be and live my life. Hey. Taking just don't be.
So this area here is probably a real hot spot for us. This is where we put everything that we're going to use, are using, planning on using. So yeah, this would be our hot spot. So I'm just going to clean it up, move the stuff away from the wall, clean behind the wall, and as you've seen, I also clean the tile behind it.
Don't take it personal.
So once I finish that, I'm going to clean the little sparkle thing there that I keep like the hand soap and that on. Just give that a bit of a clean. It's been a while since I've done a deep clean of my kitchen. I was in a really good habit of doing a weekly clean, which sort of cut down the need for a deep clean, but I haven't been doing that. So the kitchen's become quite grotty because obviously I do the minimums every day and do a bit of a clean up every day, but I haven't really done a deep clean. So here I'm just cleaning behind the toaster and cleaning like the side of the pantry there, and I'm also going to clean the toaster and the kettle, which I do most days anyway, but I'm going to do that and then we're going to move on to the next thing.
We just building, it's my season, lay foundation, make a name for generations, please and make a, then take a break or a little vacation and chasing blues away. Hey, hey. You are.
So here I'm just going to clean down the hot plates. I know I do this all the time, but today I am using actually a cream cleanser to clean it. The actual hot plates themselves have got a lot of marks on them. A lot of them I just can't get off. So if you've got any suggestions for how to get that off, please leave it in the comments down below, because it's not that old, the hot plates, so it's kind of disappointing to see there are stains on them already that I can't get off.
Always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning, or look like you always be working, soaking the moments you live in, yeah. You got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the.
So it's not very often I actually move the microwave, but you're about to see just how grotty and dirty it is. Yuck. I really need to try and do this more often, but it's just something you just don't think about like regularly. I don't know about you guys, but you know, the microwave's there, you just clean it, you know, once in a while you clean on top of it, but you never really move it, and the tiles weren't really that much better behind it, nor the PowerPoint. So I'm going to give that a clean, and I'm also going to clean the side of the fridge there, because that doesn't get much of a clean either.
If you got my number, don't add me, 'cause baby, I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. Baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be and live my life off screen. Taking time out to be and live my life. I'm in a place serene and pure and free. Hey, I ain't worried about what's the wave, only worry about me.
So I have to say, inside my microwave was disgusting. And this is something I do. Like, I do clean it out probably every couple of weeks. But I do know that my daughter loves to put noodles and stuff in here, so it does tend to get a bit grotty. But the plate itself had something on it. I don't know what it was, but I tried to scrub it with the Fairy Power Clean, and that didn't work, so ended up getting the old soap pad out to get it all off.
Yeah. Oh, I'm taking time out to be and live my life off screen. Taking time out to be and live my life.
So I'm not actually going to clean the inside of the oven, because that's definitely a job for another day. But how often do you guys clean the inside of your oven? I used to do it really regularly, like probably once a week, and now I don't tend to do it that often. So the job just becomes so big and overwhelming, you just don't want to do it. And of course, I cleaned the range hood down and actually did around the range hood, which was quite greasy. Now I'm just doing the cabinets. I must say, dark cabinets are the worst cabinets. I used to think white cabinets were bad, but these dark cabinets, you can see every mark on them, and even when you wipe them down, you can see if you don't dry them, they become really blotchy. So if you've got any suggestions for cleaning down dark cabinets, or what you use, please let me know. I found the best thing for me is just to use like the Fairy Power Wash and a rag and a tea towel to dry them off. But any suggestions would be grateful. So this is a spot I don't clean regularly, which is the side of the the side of the kitchen cabinets. And let me tell you, the amount of dog hair on there was unreal. Obviously, that's another job I need to start doing more. So put in the comments down below, how often do you do a kitchen deep clean? I know that normally a kitchen deep clean would entail taking everything out of the cabinets and putting it all back in, but it's just a task that I don't look forward to at all. It's like I have so much stuff in these cabinets now that it's just, you know, it's overwhelming to try and do it. the bin drawer. I love having the bins hidden, but because they are hidden, I do wipe around here regularly. And sorry about the camera moving, the dog was there backing into it, trying to get around it. I do the outside of the bin quite frequently, but I don't think I did this far into the bin cupboard for a while, and let me tell you, it was gross. It was really, really gross. Like, you know, I thought I was pretty clean, but seeing this cupboard makes me think otherwise. And there is Max trying to help Mum, but just getting in the way. I don't know about you guys, but there is something, excuse me, so relaxing and enjoyable about cleaning out your sink. I love cleaning out my sink. I don't know about you, but I love it. Like, I love having a sparkly, shiny sink. Doesn't matter whether the rest of the kitchen looks like a complete wreck. If I've got a shiny sink, I am happy. So thanks for watching, guys. I really appreciate it. If you do like the video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell notification, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.
I wanna be a weekend lover. Yeah, I'ma be